self talk. I can do anything. I am fair. I am assertive. I tell other how I feel. I can stand up to anything. I am bold. I am very attractive. I can achieve anything I love. I always stand up for myself and my belief. I always find always ways to succeed. I am original. I am confidently meet any challenges. I know can achieve anything. I am a winner. I am bold and brave. I am in control of my life. I achieve massive success. I am amazing.